Hi, welcome to Nirvana Realty. We are one of the largest second home developers in Mumbai. We have projects all around Mumbai in the distance of 100 kilometers. All our projects are specifically for vacation homes. They are townships built on riversides, mountain sides, and these projects are fully developed. They are RERA sanctioned, and we do property management, rental management for all our customers who buy homes from us. They get fixed assured rentals as well as they get free holidays whenever they would like to come and stay with us. Properties start from 30 lakh onwards, which is like a studio suite, and goes up to 3 crores, which will be like a mansion where there will be a pool, there will be home theaters, there will be all the works that you would ask for. These properties are theme based, so we have different projects of different themes. We have a project near Bombay-Pune highway at Khapoli, which is a music theme project. We have developed the Asia's largest swimming pool over there, which is in a guitar shape. And then we have a project on Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway called Bollywood, which is a Bollywood theme. So that's a project very close to my heart, where we talk about living a life of a Bollywood star. So all the homes over there are designed like a Bollywood set, and once you come there, you live the luxury, the lifestyle, how a Bollywood star would live. Then we also created the Mumbai's first Las Vegas theme project. So it's called Viroha, the highway city. That is also located on Bombay-Ahmedabad highway, and it is very close to the Mumbai-Gujarat border. And that is a beautiful project by the riverside, which we allow people to build a home as per their dream, and we customize it to their particular needs. These projects are all self-sustainable projects. That means that it is completely hassle-free. There is no maintenance required. Once you buy the project, you give it to us. We develop it, we maintain it, we run it. You simply just need to bring your bags and enjoy the vacations. It's a great opportunity to be in Dubai, and it's a city full of opportunities. So hopefully we have a great business over here in Dubai for the Indians who would like to invest in Mumbai. Thank you.